So I'm going to show you how to use GoHighLevel to post to different social medias. And there's a few steps to this. So I go into my marketing and you'll see all the posts in my post planner. So you see across the top, we have social planner, emails, snippets, countdown timers, brand boards. I really work here in social planner and sometimes in emails, but mostly in social planner. Then I come down here and see what is scheduled. See this list, and it'll tell you the date and the time. And I have a little bit of a gap right here. I have two things posting on the 21st and then only one on the 22nd. So I'm going to go on the 22nd. I'm going to create a new post. So in this particular program, when you're in Social Planner, you can make a new post and you hit create new post. Now I've already uploaded. I haven't shown you that, but I have already done it. So you'll see something I've uploaded. We're going to go to all because this is easiest. I am going to do a video, so it will apply to everything on here. And if it doesn't work, it'll tell me. And then I click on my post and I'm going to do a video. And I come down to a video I've already uploaded. I did that by clicking on upload and then choosing the file. So easy breezy. But here's the catch on GoHighLevel. You want to click on the three dots, select, and then go over here to insert file. I'm bringing that up because it took me a minute to catch on that it was a couple step process. Now I'm just going to let the video speak for itself. It's just fun. And I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says save for later or post. And I'm going to hit post, but I'm going to do the caret. And I'm going to do scheduled post. If I wanted it to go right now, I would just hit post and off it would go. But we're going to schedule it for later. We're going to do it tomorrow. So we're going to hit schedule. We're going to come over here tomorrow. And we're going to, where it says here best time to post, we're going to pick one of these. I'm going to pick the 5 to 6 o'clock. Yeah, because most people will see that. And when they're scrolling in the evenings, it'll show up. So we'll hit 5 to 6, schedule post. And now it says, oops, content missing. Title is missing from community options. So let's see here. What are we talking about? Click the warning. Instagram post with single video must be shared as a reel. So come up here to Instagram, share it as a reel. Let's see if that fixed it. And it did not. Content missing, title missing. Please select a user for respective. Oh, that's my notifications on the community. We'll take those off. Come back up, drop down, scroll to the bottom, and we're going to remove that one. And I don't really want this one. This is personal. I'm going to take it off of YouTube. All right. Now we should be good to go. Back to schedule, post for tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Schedule. There we go. Post created successfully. Now it's going to bring me back to my planner and you'll see this post is down here on the bottom to be done tomorrow.